Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. Today I'm telling you about Megan, the fashion and beauty blogger. Megan recently found a list of new products that her local beauty store is selling. When she added it to an Excel sheet to take some notes on it, she found all of the data stayed in one column. She needs to find out how to separate the information from one single cell into full rows of data. Let's see if we can help. Here's a list that she collected: brand, product type, and price. So when she pasted in here, it all just went to one column. That's not going to be very helpful to her. Let's see if we can spread these out. We're going to select the entire column, go to the Data tab, and select Text to Columns. Our focus is going to be on delimited. Now, because we selected delimited, the options that we have are tab, semicolon, comma, space, and other. The whole thing here is that it's focusing on what is in between each of these statements. So the brand in cell A2 is Eyelight. Then there's a comma, then the product type is powder foundation, and another comma before the prices. Now what this tells us is if we select comma, it will split everything up according to the way that we just broke it down. If we select tab, it won't do anything, as you can see in this preview of selected data. If we select semicolon, it won't do it. But what about space? If we unselect tab and semicolon and select space, we do see that the data splits up a little bit. This could be good, but it's not really giving us the exact breakdown that we want. In this specific case, we have other things that have spaces in between them that we want to stay in the same column. For example, cell A6 has the brand name All Smiles and Shine, but there's 3 spaces in between that brand name. We still need that entire brand name in one cell though, so space won't work in this case. What we can use though is comma. Now in this example we can see that all of the brand names are in the right column, all of the product types are in the right column, and all of the pricing is in the right column. So from here we can just select finish, but I'm going to show you what we're skipping. If we click next, this is all about formatting. Let's say that this was actually a date column. We can change it to date and select the format that we wanted. In this case, we want to keep everything to general because it's already correctly formatted as text and then the prices. Now we just need to space everything out right and everything's perfect. Okay, that wasn't so hard, right? It looks really complicated when you paste something in and somehow the formatting goes weird and everything ends up in one column, but it's just a matter of using the text to column and making sure you have the right settings and the right delimiter. This fixes Megan's problem completely, and now she can go on adding her notes summarizing each of these products. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until next time, have fun excelling!